Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman. I will be your host today. Today is 7th of June, 2023. And as usual, please don't forget that the meeting is recorded. And then, as usual, we can start with introductions. I see there are at least 2 new participants in the meeting. If you'd like, you can introduce yourself.
Sure. Well, hello, I'm Daniel King. I'm from work with Samaritan's Purse, and we're using the project. And I just learned that you guys had a weekly meeting, so I thought I'd stop by and see what all's going on in the community.
Well, thank you stopping by and yeah, welcome. See if you are speaking, we can't hear you. Okay, I think we can continue. It's probably a mic issue, but welcome anyways, both of you. Then we can continue with the usual reminders. If you feel that your project would benefit by adding itself as an official adapter, you can do it via creating a PR and then pushing it to Metal3 docs. You have to modify this adopters.md file and add your organization. That would greatly help the project. The next reminder is that is the incubation proposal that's on hold for now, but we will get back to that. Next one is the meetup notes. Feel free to read it, anyone, but I guess you know about it. You have seen the YouTube videos, but if not, feel free to read it. And then one reminder from quite a few community meetings now is the bare metal API change to V1 beta 1 by Dimitri, and there is still discussions going on this. Yep.
I think we need to we need some sort of community consensus on that, because I think the only contentious point that is left in the proposal is Leonard wants us to jump to V1 Alpha 2 first, then have it renamed into V1 Beta 1 at some point. I initially proposed going to V1 Beta 1 right away, but in the end, all I care about is this work is done. So if the community thinks V1 Alpha 2 is better, okay. If the community thinks V1 Beta 1 is okay, even better, but I would love to hear some feedback, because currently it feels like it's, the work is stuck.
Okay, I'm just thinking, how should we do this? I'm thinking that should we vote or should we just, because yeah, folks are not really commenting here.
Well, if you and other people who feel they have an opinion about bare metal operator API could just visit the page and leave a comment in one or the other direction with some reasoning, that would be helpful. And then, yeah, if I see that most people want V1 Alpha 2, I'll just change it.
Okay. Yep. Okay. I will prioritize this from my end and bring it up on our team meeting, and then people can voice their opinion. Yeah, it has been it has taken a backseat because of the rules of CI stuff that we were working on. That's probably why it's a bit silent here. Okay, but thank you. I agree. We should come to a conclusion. And finish the proposal. Okay, these were all the reminders, and then, well, from the working groups, let's see who is here from the working groups. So Muhammad, you are here. Dimitri, you are here. Who is not? The Muhammad, would you like to share something related to the scaling, or I should ask that, was there any progress this week in the scaling group?
There were no major or even minor progress this week from my side. We're still waiting for reviews for these changes on sushi tools, and yeah, we might add something to the these scripts that we have on the Nordics organization, but not something important, I guess.
Okay, that's fine. And then next one is the discussion topics. It looks like today we don't really have that many discussion topics. It's just a reminder from me. We have got into some trouble with our CI, but now we are reaching the point when it's getting out of the troubles, and it's not really affecting the PRs. That was solved already last week, but the end-to-end feature tests are a bit flaky still, but we are working on that. And there was some issue related to running the dev on vanilla distro images, like on a vanilla Ubuntu 22 or CentOS 9 stream. We noticed a few hiccups there this week, so yeah, trying to fix those. And then the next one is from Dimitri, and this is some code removal.
It's less like code removal, it's more like that's one I think we discussed when discussing the new API version. It should start with really getting rid of metal-cubed v1 alpha 1 hard-coded everywhere, and you can see the patch is enormous. It literally just renames this import. All it does, but that's a lot of places. Hopefully we can do that once, and then next time we introduce API versions, we just don't change that, only change the import itself. So I wanted to bring attention to this patch because once it merges, it's probably going to have merge conflicts with any changes to BMO whatsoever. So well, ideally, we should merge it quickly, unless somebody has a patch that has to merge before that, and they really want it to merge even quicker. If not, I'd really appreciate if somebody could approve that.
I can take a shift here. Because you need an approve, and I think he's the only one from our team who can do it. Yeah, but yeah, fine. I don't know about any pending big changes from our team. Yeah, and I don't see it here either. So yeah, I guess we are fine with this. Let's hope nothing goes sideways now that the CI is getting fixed. Okay, fine. So that was all the topics that we brought to the agenda. Is there anything else that you'd like to discuss other than the obvious things with the API change and the CI? Okay, if not, then we can continue with triaging. It will be quick. I done some reading. Basically, we don't have anything new since the last triaging. All these topics have just stuck. We would need a response from the original issue creator in most scenarios, but everywhere is silent. The newest ones seem to be actually solved, or more of like user error. And yeah, we would need some response. So there are actually no new stuff to triage from the need triage group. Let's check quickly the stale ones. And in the stale ones, let me see. Yeah, this is another stuff. And I already forgot about this. Avoid using that repos for deploy. Leonard, are you here? Nope. Nope. I think I will freeze this because this is here for a long time and we are not really doing anything to this. Add config for the attack. Please. Yeah. Not even, I won't even freeze this. I guess it might be that we will go to different direction with the dev, not this one. But let's ask Leonard that. It's really not on our radar at the moment. Bug report template. The PR. Okay, so this was actually added, I assume, by the outreachy work. So this actually can be closed. Where was this added? Bug report template to the repository. Which repository? Sorry. To the dev. Okay. And was the original issue just for dev? Yes. Okay. Cool. This can be closed. And then the last one, LLDP data collection. I vaguely remember this. What stuff? This got. What's up with this? Dimitri, do you remember this? What was the
I do, yes. I don't remember the conclusion of that. I do know that there are some movements around hardware data, both in BMO and upstream in Ironic. So I took some effort to move our DP data around. So whatever we're doing, it should really take into account this work.
Yeah. Okay, I will remove
the work I mentioned.
Yeah, I will remove the stair from here. It's just seemed to be still work in progress, but a bit forgotten. I will remove this. And this is basically linked to that. So let's remove the stair. Okay. These were all the stair ones. What's in frozen? Some docs. Component splitter connection test. Okay. Yes, and there are no new stuff in the frozen. At least I don't see anything that we have not discussed. Yeah. Okay. And then they have wanted, just quickly. There are a few new things that I have not seen. Yeah, this is one easy from Tuomo. I remember we've discussed this in the dev and in the E2E tests. At the moment, there could be a situation where the BMO and the Ironic stuff is, or at least the Ironic is deployed on the worker node, and that should change for the tests, but it's just related to the tests. And the dev have a lot of broken links. And there was work on this. Yes, I remember this. And it was merged. Okay, so it's work in progress. Mohammed, wasn't this fixed? Are you here? Okay. He's not here, but I vaguely remember this was fixed. Let me ping him. Yep, I think this was fixed. But no PR is linked here. And then this is the orphan node, very old stuff. Yeah, I remember there's no active work on this. Okay, and then stuff other than this are just still leftover docs and a few like feature that or test improvement that we are not really so keen about. Okay, so that's it for triaging. There were not that many issues as you have seen. If you are interested in the have wanted, please feel free to check those and contact the folks who made the issues. They probably will be able to help you. And is there any other problem, suggestion, improvement request, anything that you want to bring up? Okay, if nothing, then thank you for your time, and we will meet again next week. Have a nice rest of the day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
Adam. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.